Oh.
Very good.
Yellow.
Green. Green.
Purple.
You say purple? How about red?
Do you want to do that one?
Blue?
I don't think you dropped one. I think you're good. What's that about?
Is she putting it on the floor?
Yes, exactly.
No, she can go pick them up.
Alright, well then now you have no crayons to draw with that. That's unfortunate.
You have to go get them now. Go get them.
Yep.
Sure.
Do you like your artwork? Is it a masterpiece?
It stands on its own. Doesn't need any more crayons.
Yeah.